Hey everybody, it's old Pops Jeff Williams here, and y'all know I love my catfishing, and I love to fish for channel cats in the creeks and get up in those root wads, and I love to catch blue cats and channel cats out in those rivers drifting. And I tell you what, last year we were able to release a brand new product that's going to make your life so much easier when it comes to using manufactured catfish bait. The Team Catfish Fiber Nuggets are going to absolutely revolutionize the bagged catfish bait industry. Everybody else is in second place in trying to keep up with this product right now. This is the first ever bagged catfish bait that's full of hair-like fibers that you can hook on a plain J-hook, cast it out into the current, or cast it from the bank, behind your boat, off your dock, and the nugget will not wash off. Fiber nuggets never need to be refrigerated. They fit in your tackle box, and you can take them fishing anywhere you want. Now, I don't recommend them for flathead catfish, but for blue catfish and channel catfish, they are absolutely wonderful. And I'll tell you something else. You all know about the little bitty catfish that always peck your bait off. Well, with fiber nuggets, you can actually hook those little bitty catfish and reuse the fiber nugget and throw it out there again. They're truly a remarkable, amazing, revolutionary catfish bait product, and when you start using them, you are never going to turn back to that old junk that's been offered for years and years on the shelves. So if you think the fiber nuggets sound like a product you'd like to try, and you really like to see your rod jumping up and down with a frisky catfish on the end of it, go in and tell your favorite tackle dealer that you want to buy fiber nuggets from them. They can get them from us, and you make sure you tell them old Pops sent you in there to get them. Thanks for watching our videos, and as always, good luck out there.